Hey everyone, this is a quick overview of RocketFuel's partner dashboard. So as soon as you log in, you'll see a high-level overview of relevant information, merchants, shoppers, transaction totals, etc. If we come over to transactions, we can see a list of all the transactions that your merchants have. You can do a drill down. If you click on that little plus button, it'll give you transaction IDs, the hash, the amount, what's payable to the merchant, what's payable to you as the partner, etc. If any of those transactions were refunded, you can click on the refunds tab on the left. If you wanted to see a list of all the shoppers across all of your merchants, you can come over here, get a list of your shoppers. And if you wanted to get reports, both real time and historically, all you would do is come over here, click download, select the date range. Let's say we want to do month to date, for example. Hit download, boom, it'll spit out a CSV file, and you can plug that into whatever reporting software that you use. Now, the important stuff. Where are all my merchants? How do I know what their fees are? How do I add a new merchant? Super easy. We'll click on the merchants tab here on the left. Here's a list of all the merchants that I have. If I click on the plus sign, you can see some additional details in regards to this merchant. What's their name? When did they register? Did they generate API keys for integration? What's the fee charged? And request to edit the fee as well. As soon as they're in here, you're protected. You will get paid on all of their transactions. Well, what if you wanted to add a new merchant? Well, there's a button up here, add new merchant. It also exists in the dashboard. So if I click on add new merchant, let's say this is merchant 3. Under the partner name, this is the sales rep on your side, on the partner side. So we'll just use my name for example. And let's plug in an email address here, merchant3 at, we'll use my testinator. And let's say we want to charge this merchant 2.5% and 10 cents a transaction. We send the invite, and if we go into the inbox, this is what your merchant will see. Here is the invite. Hello, you've been invited by you, the partner, to sign up as a merchant with RocketFuel. Click here to sign up. Once they do this, they just got to plug in this information, set their password, and once they do that, they'll get access to our system and they're tagged to you automatically. That's how easy it is to sign up a merchant and make some money with RocketFuel.